ক্লিক করুন অ্যাপের বেল আইকনে আর সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবিপি আনন্দ। সব সময় থাকুন খবরে।
ব্যাঙ্গালোরে প্রযুক্তি সম্মেলনের উদ্বোধনী অনুষ্ঠানে প্রধানমন্ত্রী নরেন্দ্র মোদী সরাসরি চলে যাব।
Support to our vibrant startup community, whose skill and success are now world famous. Friends, we have often heard that प्रतिकूल परिस्थितियों में प्रतिभा बाहर लाने का प्रभाव रखती है. Challenges bring out the best in people. Perhaps it is relevant for many of India's techies. When there is a demanding customer or there are pressing deadlines, you would have seen that some talents which even you did not know, it starts coming out. Global lockdowns, travel restrictions have constrained people inside their homes, away from their place of work. At such a time, the resilience of our tech sector was seen. Our tech sector came into action and used tech solutions to keep work going on from home and from anywhere. The tech industry recognized a great innovation opportunity in bringing people together. The COVID-19 pandemic was a bend in the path, not the end. ये तो रास्ते का एक बैंड था, एंड नहीं. The amount of tech adoption that would not have happened in that decade happened in just a few months. Work from anywhere has become the norm and is going to stay. We will see a high amount of tech adoption in the fields of education, health, shopping, and more. Since I have the opportunity to directly engage with some of the most brilliant minds in the tech world, I want to confidently say, thanks to your efforts, we can certainly make the user experience better using technology to make the physical-digital convergence seamless. We can surely further make the tech tools more user-friendly. Friends, achievements of the industrial era are in the rear view mirror, and now we are in the middle of information era. Future is coming sooner than anticipated. We should quickly say the bygone era thinking. In the industrial era, change was linear. But in the information era, change is disruptive and big. In the industrial era, first mover advantage was everything. In the information era, first mover does not matter, the best mover does. Anyone can make a product anytime that disrupts all existing equations of the market. In the industrial era, boundaries mattered, but the information era is about going beyond boundaries. In the industrial era, sourcing raw material was a key challenge and only a few had access to it.